In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. By the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we have covered the basic chapters of linguistics. And we commenced the chapter and it was about syntax. I told you that syntax, it is the study of the structure of a sentence. That how sentence is structured, how a sentence is organized. Listeners and audience, previously our topic was about the structure of praise or praise and meanings. Today, I am going to tell you about replacement in phrase structure. But before going to discuss this topic, let me go to background knowledge about the previous topic, that you know what was our previous topic was. In our previous topic, if you remember, I wrote a sentence and that was, I was reading a letter to Aslam, for example. I was reading a letter to Aslam. And I told you that this sentence, it has two meanings. Why it has two meanings? It has two meanings because of two different organizations, because of two different syntactic structures. Like, for example, I draw the structure. I was reading a letter. This is one phrase. And another is Aslam. This is another phrase. Or you may say to Aslam. So there are two phrases. So if I take is a single phrase, then what does it mean? It means that I was reading a letter to Aslam. So the letter was addressing to Aslam. And I was reading. I was reading a letter to Aslam because the letter was addressing to Aslam. So I was reading to him. Okay. The next, but if you are taking like this one separate one. Now you see two phrases. I took one phrase and then another in separate forms. So then it has another meaning. Now its meaning is, I was reading a letter because the letter was sent to me by someone. And I was reading with myself and Aslam was also there. So he also listened to it. So the letter was addressing to me in this example. While the previous example, the letter was addressing to Aslam and I was reading to him. And this example, a letter was addressing to me. But I was reading loudly and Aslam was also reading it. Now, today we are going to talk about replacement in phrase structure. Whenever we are talking about replacement and a phrase, it means that a phrase can be replaced by a single word. If you remember, I defined that a phrase is a group of words which does not give us a complete meaning, but a phrase can move from one place into another in a sentence. And a phrase can be replaced by a single word. Whenever we are talking about a replacement or a replace, it means change. A single word can take the place of a phrase. So here, in order to understand a phrase completely in a sentence, that how we will know phrase in a sentence, how a chunk of words, how a series of words, how a group of words will be a phrase in a sentence. So there are so many tests. Today we are just talking about one test, and that is replacement test. So let's give test number 1. Test 1. You see, I am sharing the instruction of the test number 1. If a group of words, a chunk of words, if they are replaced by a single word, which is it, then it means it is a phrase. If a group of words, if that group of words is replaced by a single word which is it, which is pronoun, so then it means that it is what? It is a phrase. And if there is a lengthy phrase and it can be broken into two phrases, then it means that the sentence also has two meanings. It means that there might be or may be ambiguity in the sentence, or the sentence may have dual meanings. As we have dual meanings or ambiguity in this sentence, that either a letter was addressing to Aslam and I was reading to him, or it was sent to me, but I was reading to Aslam loudly, so he was also listening to it. So now let me replace it. For example, you see, I was reading a letter to Aslam. If I put, for example, though, I was reading the letter to Aslam. This is a complete phrase. So I can replace it by just a single word, which is it. I was reading, for example, I was reading it. You see, this complete chunk of words, group of words, is just replaced by this single word, which is it. So that's why we came to know that this is what? This is a phrase. And I also know that there are two phrases. That's why sometimes this sentence has two meanings. Or sometimes a sentence has two meanings, like this one. Why this sentence has two meanings? Because of the two different syntactic structures, because of the two different organizations, as well as because of the two different structure of phrases in a sentence. For example, now let me change it to another structure. I was reading it to John or to Aslam. So you see, here this is one phrase and this is another. So instead of the letter or instead of a letter, what I wrote? I wrote only it. It means that there are two phrases, the letter and to Aslam. And we can also take that is one lengthy phrase, but I divided into groups or into chunks and put in two parts. So now I was reading it. It means the letter. And to Aslam, this is another phrase. But if you want to, for example, erase all of them and just put it also refers to the whole phrase. I was reading it. So listeners and audience, this is just one test which we applied, and it means that how to identify phrase syntactically in a sentence. So syntactically, we can identify a phrase when we replace it by a single word, which is it. You may also replace it by him, by another pronoun, which is him. For example, I was reading him. I was reading the letter to him. So instead of it, you may replace it by him. Yes, there will be a confusion if you are just say that I was reading him. But if you are putting after the another phrase, then it can be clear. I was reading the letter to him. Then it's possible. However, when we are putting instead of him, there will be confusion. So the best option for is just only to put it. Hope that this topic is clear to you. Thank you. Again, I will request to my listeners and audience, if you are new for my channel and yet you have not liked and subscribe my channel. You are requested to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.